How to change team name on FPL. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change team name on FPL. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To change your team name in Fantasy Premier League, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Go ahead and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Pick Team tab and scroll down on the right side tab. You will see the Admin tab. Under the Admin option, tap on the Team Details option. You will then see your team name, so go ahead and tap on your name text box and make the necessary changes. You can also update your team kit and your favorite club in this tab. Finally, tap on the Update Details button, and with this, your team name will be changed. So, this is how you can change team name on FPL. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel login guides for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.